In this video, I'm gonna show you how to have a fun writing activity with comics. Hello everybody, I'm Mansoura. Welcome to ELT Zone, Websites for Teachers. What are comics? They are a sequence of pictures or drawings that tells you a story. What are they good for? To practice writing with your students by asking them to write their own stories or sentences, or to fill the blanks with punctuation, parts of speech, or any specific grammar and vocabulary. My first website suggestion for you guys is storyboard.com. With this website, you can create your own comic strips worksheets or assign students to write and design one by themselves. Not the traditional boring one, but the fun one. And one more thing, you could also print some empty strips and ask students to draw and write their own stories. Believe me, this is so much more amusing than just writing on a piece of paper. So try this out. Okay, now let's see how to work with this website. Storyboard.com. The first thing you should do is creating an account. So there is a register box here that you should register, or as I already registered in this website, I just click login. Create a storyboard. Okay, here you could just create 2 storyboards per week with your free account. If you wanted to do more, you need to purchase the premium account. Here are the scenes: town, home, indoor, outdoor. I need a kitchen, so I search through home, indoor. Okay. You need to just drag and drop. That's it. And here you could edit the scene. For example, night or daytime, table appear, disappear, and this is stuff. And the color of the sky, for example, the color of the chair, floor. Am I making it worse or what? Okay, update the scene. You can also edit the things in the picture right here. So, next thing, we need a character. See, here are the dogs in between. Here you can also change his color of hair, your skin, ensure that everything is editable. Here, I want him crying and seated. And right arm, yeah, something like this. No, left arm. This way. So, after the poll, we need a word bubble. So, we also drag and drop one of these to the picture. Right here. You could leave it blank with some dots, or write something, or fill the blanks, or ask the student, I told you, to write the whole story. But here I want to write just one word. And also you could change the color of this box too. So yeah. Okay, so this is the whole thing. I'm gonna do the rest, so you can just watch. So this is my final work. You can have here some shapes, infographics, and other stuff. And it's a shame that last time I checked, you could have a 6 layout storyboard, but now you need to upgrade and buy the premium version. So yeah, Thank you for watching and subscribing. I will see you soon next week. Bye bye.